This is a universal container format often used by WebEx for media. It holds audio and video. You need the WebEx Player or a converter to extract the content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's extract it. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one UCF file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. A UCF file is a document or configuration format used by WebEx and Xilinx systems. It contains structured data, tutorials, or layouts used to manage online meetings or define hardware constraints for programmable logic devices. These documents often use proprietary formats or PDF to incorporate diagrams and visual aids for technical users. UCF files are structured documents, often using a proprietary format or a common format like PDF. They may include text, images, diagrams, and other visual aids to explain concepts and procedures. The specific design rules depend on the software used to create the guide, but the focus is on clarity and accessibility for the user. If installed, your preferred program for UCF should be the WebEx Meetings application by Cisco Systems. Viewing this file correctly requires specialized software that ignores the Windows association data. Windows allows minimal preview, but accurate reading requires tools made for that data format. We are checking for a viable reader. Right-click your UCF file and select Open with. Use WebEx Meetings if installed. If it's not there, try a different program. We need to find the correct decoder. If your UCF file still refuses to open, stay calm. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your UCF file is not opening. First, open with WebEx Player. If the file is a recorded meeting guide, download and use the WebEx Player to view the interactive documentation. Next, use Xilinx Tools. If the file is for hardware design, open it within the Xilinx software environment to view the logic device configuration. Finally, try a universal viewer. If you are unsure of the source, attempt to open the file in a web browser to see if it is formatted for online viewing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.